Hello learners, welcome to our new mathematics lesson here, and today we want to cover something different a little bit. We want to look at division of a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number using long form of division. Remember the other time we were still looking at division, but we started by looking at division with regrouping. Then we look at the other one, which was division without regrouping or remainder, sorry. So here I have two examples for you on this subtopic of ours. We want to have the first one, which is 42 divided by 3. Then we have the second one, which is 62 divided by 5. So remember, we want to use a long form of division. Now, so when we are dividing this one, you will have first of all to draw this sign. So this sign is very, very important. So when you are using the long form of division, then after drawing the sign, the number which you are going to divide, it is the one that you will put inside here. You can see my 42 is here. It is the one that I have put inside here. Then these three you will put it outside there. So please note that. Now after doing that, we will start by saying 4 divided by 3. Learners, what is 4 divided by 3? Now 4 divided by 3, we will get 1, but with the remainders. So that one that you get, it is the one that you will have to write it above 4. You can see I'm writing it above 4. Then now from there, you will have to multiply 1 times 3. 1 times 3. Then 1 times 3, you will get 3. That 3 that you will get, it is the one that you will come and write it under this 4. So you can see I've written it under 4. Then from there, you will subtract 4 minus 3. So meaning here we have a subtractional sign. So 4 minus 3, I will get 1. Then from there, we will draw this 2. So you can see this is my arrow here, meaning I have dropped 2 up to this point. Now when I drop this 2, I'm going to make number 12. Then now from there, you say 12 divided by 3. Now 12 divided by 3, we are going to get 4. Then that 4, you can see it is the one that I have written here. So I have already written it here. Then now from there, you multiply again. 4 times 3. 4 times 3, we will get 12. The 12 I get, I come and write it down here. You can see I had already written it there. And then now from there, you put here another subtractional sign. Now from there, you will have to subtract 12 minus 12. Now 12 minus 12, we will get 0. So you can see 2 minus 2, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So meaning down here, we are remaining with 0. Now, our answer here will be 14. Now, what are we discovering? What we are seeing here is that the answer for the work that you are doing, you will find it above here. So, like this one, you can see our answer is 14. Now, let's come to the second example here. So, we have 62 divided by 5. Now, Now 62 divided by 5. Now this one, I want to show you practically the way I did. So allow me to rub this one just a little bit. And remember, I said you will have to start by drawing that sign this way. Then this 62, it is the one that you have to write it inside here. Then outside here, you put number 5. Remember, that is what we were doing in the other one. Then now from there, you start by saying 6 divided by 5. Now, 6 divided by 5, you will get 1. Now, from there, you say 1 times 5. 1 times 5. 1 times 5, you will get 5. Then from there, you put here a subtractional sign. So, meaning we are going to subtract 6 minus 5. Now, 6 minus 5, you will get 1. Are we through? No. So, the next step will be, you will have to draw 2. So, you can see I'm dropping this 2 of mine, and then I'll come and write it here. Now, which number are we getting? We are getting number 12. Then from there you say 12 divided by 5. 12 divided by 5, you will have to get 2. Then from there you say 2 times 5. 2 times 5, we are getting 10. Now, from there, remember, you have to put here a subtractional sign. So, meaning we are subtracting 12 minus 10. So, 2 minus 0, you will have to get 2. 1 minus 1, you will have to get 0. Now, we still have a number here. And we may not or we cannot continue dividing these numbers. So our final answer here will be, remember I said our answer is supposed to be at the top here. So when you divide 62 divided by 5, you will get 12, but with a remainder which is 2. So for you to get the correct answer, you will have to write 12 remainder 2. 12 remainder 2. So remember when I write rem, it means remainder. So meaning our final answer is there, which is 12 remainder 2. Now let me go through what we were doing. We started by the first one. We said this first step, make sure you draw the signs like this one and the other one that we had here. Then remember to put those numbers. Like the big one, the big number, here we had 42, so it is the one that I put inside. The big number here, which is 62, it is the one that I put inside. Then the other one, you put outside. So please begin when you are doing some of these sums. Then remember, we have the ones that you will get an answer without a remainder, like this one. Here we only got 14, and here we got a remainder. So the answer was 12, but with a remainder which was 2. Now, so you'll have to do another example that was in your booklet. So you'll do it, then after that you'll have an exercise which is there. So you'll do it. Now, allow me to stop there. Have a nice day. Thank you.